tool setup. So with this 4 button, this is the up, down, and then exit and enter, and one click, this is the readiness test results. So inside the language, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 8 languages, which is for the Russian and also the French and Spanish. So it's very easy to operate it. And also you can review the data, you can review the stream. So you can just go with some BTC lookup, and there's no need to check online. Maybe you can just check inside here. Also, if you connect this one with the cable, you can print out your diagnostic report. You can print some data, upload to your computer, and then print it out. And we have a battery check function here. It gives you the battery voltage, and you can judge this one with compare with the standards, and you understand how your battery is working. So I'm gonna go to the main function for the diagnostic. So this is first the monitor status using Spark. This is diagnostic menu for read codes, erase code. So with this tool function, I can easily find out the reason for my check engine light. So once you plug it in, you can see also this indicator, which tells you about what's going on with your car. So if you have some permanent codes, it's better to just go to the auto shops. So you can record the codes if you have. If you have, you can erase it. No. Iron readiness. So this is the same as my same as this button. So from the first connect, you can just one click this one to get a fast connection with the iron readiness function. I love it. And here for the data stream, so I can select, I can view all the items and also view all the graphical items, because this is why I like this this little device, because it has some colorful screen size, which can help me to identify the sensor readings in different in the same time-based screen. So maybe when the time is finished, I can analyze this with some maximum readings, so some lowest readings for the shifts, for the long FTI and the lows, and also the RPM. I will see what's the relationship between these sensor readings, which helps me to much more understanding of this vehicle. This is a great function, and also you can save it. That's what I like it best. And also let's get from the main menu. You can see here freeze frame, oxygen sensor test. So from this oxygen sensor test, you identify, it gives you the result of your sensor, of the maximum sensor voltage or the lowest sensor voltage, and what's the test value. And this is also some great functionalities. Onboard monitoring gives you some details for each. This is the systems for the cylinders and the VAP mode. So not all cars support it. And also, if you can go to check your vehicle information, which you can see from your vehicle identification number. And other numbers are also showing, like the calibration identification number and verification number. It's a very useful gift. So this is basically all about this scanner.